Ready?
Whoa, she spit out the lure.
So moist.
Tired?
Hello friends, and welcome to Schitt's Creek, Algonquin Park. Let me show you how we got here. It is ice out. Eager to set off into the woods, we depart into the unknowns ahead. Granted, what is known about this time of year is it's either cold, damp, or straight up soaking wet. As you can tell, we had the luxury of all three.
Lover.
We're in the wrong creek.
Well,
Back we go.
adventure. This is very misleading because in the springtime or in the summertime, that finger probably wouldn't have been able to access it, right? You know, you wouldn't even see it. This would be all dried up and shit.
Now, some of you could fancy a guess, and some of you are probably wondering, who in the hell would go camping in that?
Yeah, right. I'm gonna go around.
Well, let me tell you, it's in pursuit of brook trout, solitude, and character building. With loads of type B fun ahead, we got plenty of the latter.
Try and stay on the high ground of it, out of the attack alders. You know what I mean? Gonna be fun. Be a bushwhack, but hopefully we find some goodies at the top of the hill. I'm excited.
Can't wait.
Tired? Oh boy. Yeah, me too. I don't know how well you can tell, but that is a steep uphill.
For us, this is living, and we suggest everyone give it a try at least once.
Imagine I got.
Good morning. Day 3 of Sog.
We're cruising. I don't even have to do anything. Chauffeur, bank right. So we're on day 4. Woke up to some more rain, but it finally let off, and it looks like we're gonna get more rain. But we're gonna try some fishing. The boys were lucky on this lake last night, so we're hoping to catch a few ourselves.
You're a small guy, but
It's fine.
first fish of the trip.
My lover caught the first fish. Oh, it feels like a good one. Oh,
You lose it?
yeah.
Oh, I got a fish.
Are you kidding me?
Thanks for helping me out, lover. There it is.
Oh yeah, you did a little.
It's a little guy.
You got him.
Hey, pop the hook out too. It's going in.
Bye.
Trifecta for tuna. Whoa.
-1.
Yeah, that was dangerous.
You almost caught me.
Lover's on the board finally.
Finally. Oh, bye. Oh, she got my lure. Whoa, she spit out the lure. Spit out the lure, like literally into the boat.
Alright, Britt's second fish.
Oh, he's pretty.
There she goes. Uh-oh, looks like it's breaking.
Hmm? Breaking? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this guy. It's trying to come out. Oh, that'd be amazing.
Thanks a lot there, Jake.
No problem, man.
So moist.
That's the oil and foil.
That everything? That's all I saw on the trail. Peace. All our clothes and stuff are away.
Yep.
In there.
Wee wee.
With a full belly and all that misery behind us and a fresh pair of tighty whities, it was time to enjoy the little things. The sun is so nice.
Oh. Turn. Yeah. Oh, we got a parrot.
After 3.5 days of rain, solid rain.
Cold rain.
Nice to be kissed by that warm embrace. I love you.
Your boy's doing over there.
Good job, boys.
Oh, yeah. It's deep right here.
Can I get a hell yeah?
Go, Jake.
Take a fiver, bud.
Yeah,
You deserve it.
catch your breath.
Imagine. That'd be nice. As we enjoyed the warmth of the sun, it seems the fish had other plans, or so we thought. It's funny, it's almost like they wanted us to rest up for what was to come. Here's a bite.
Yeah.
Yep.
No way.
That's why he's fighting like a stallion. Wow. Very nice.
Wow.
Got there, Jake.
Beautiful one. And in tuna's flashing. Wow. It's probably my nicest fish. Okay.
Yeah, nice trout. Ready? Show everybody.
Okay, good little fish.
Hold up.
Wow.
Yeah, that's your new personal best. That's
That
a nice
is.
one.
That's like, what, 2 pounds?
That's a nice fish, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ready? Release.
Alright, buddy. There you go.
Nice.
That was a nice fish.
Good fish, baby. Okay, sounds good.
I lost my lucky lure. It was a Williams wobbler, right? Gold, no, it was silver and red, and I got snagged and I couldn't retrieve it. Not only that, I also broke my rod trying to get it back because I wanted it back that bad. Sad. Good thing it's the last day of our trip and I won't be needing this for much longer.
Any longer?
Any longer, yeah. Oh, sad day.